Instead of just bringing topsoil in to spread over top of this hard clay, this is a process. This is year 3 actually, and look at this good soil that we have from putting in compost and mulch, and so this is really nice and loamy. That's going to go down first before the cover crop. I'm getting ready to do a summer cover crop, and I am mixing the nitro radishes with the buckwheat and putting them in. A little bit goes a long way on the section that I'm doing, and I get my seeds from So True Seeds, which they're heritage seeds, and they hand pollinated and save the seeds and no GMO. So it's a great company. I have broadcasted the summer cover crop in this section. This is the experimental section. I'm using a rake as a marker where I put it. You'll see it soon when it grows up. Remember, this is just super hard clay. Nothing will grow in it. It's got a rock bed underneath. Just trying to make the soil soft enough so I can actually put something over it that will help with the drainage. I'm going to cover it up with mulch now and then water it. Day 2 of cover crop. You can see there's tiny sprouts.